Defense PH.
A-29 Super Tucano is a turboprop light attack aircraft designed and built by Embraer. The A-29 Super Tucano carries a wide variety of weapons, including precision-guided munitions, and was designed to be a low-cost system operated in low-threat environments. An aircraft with a long range and autonomy, able to operate night and day, in any meteorological conditions, and able to land on short airfields lacking infrastructure. It is designed to operate in high temperature and humidity conditions in extremely rugged terrain. The Super Tucano is highly maneuverable, has a low heat signature and incorporates fourth-generation avionics and weapon system to deliver precision-guided missiles. The Philippine Air Force, PAF, considered the acquisition of 6 Super Tucano aircraft to replace the aging OV-10 Bronco. In late 2017, the contract was signed for the acquisition of 6 Embraer Super Tucano to fulfill the close air support aircraft acquisition project as included in the AFP Modernization Program's Horizon Phase 1. The contract for the 6 Super Tucano was issued late 2017 and is worth 4.968 billion peso. October 2020, all 6 Super Tucano aircraft ordered by the Philippine Air Force have been officially handed over to the Air Force. The aircraft will be deployed for close air support, light attack, surveillance, air-to-air interception, counterinsurgency missions, advanced training and are part of PAF's ongoing modernization plan. It is powered by a more powerful 1,200 kW Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A68C engine, has a strengthened airframe to sustain higher G loads, a reinforced landing gear to handle greater takeoff weights and heavier stores load, up to 1,550 kilograms. Each wing can be loaded with 200 rounds for the FN Herschel M3P 12.7mm machine gun, which has a firing rate of up to 1,100 rounds per minute. It has a 2-crew, 11.38 meters in length, 11.14 meters wingspan, 3.97 meters in height, a total wing area of 19.4 square meter, and maximum takeoff weight up to 5,400 kilograms. It is a 5-bladed propellers. It has a maximum speed of 590 kilometers per hour, range of 1,330 kilometers, endurance of 8 hours and 24 minutes, and maximum service ceiling of 10,668 meters.